Okay, guys, this is lesson 95. I'm so sorry I couldn't be there today. Not feeling well at all. So, I'm going to record this and hope y'all have a good day. Hope it all makes sense. The other lesson is not from this year, it's from my last year. So, hopefully, I'll sound better in that one. Anyway, okay, so this is lesson 95. And this is about reducing units before multiplying. Okay, now we've talked about reducing units when we're talking about fractions. Okay, so for example, if I had this problem, okay, just like I've always told you, any numerator can be canceled out with any denominator. So if you're looking at this problem, 3/4 times 2/5 times 5/6, hopefully you can tell that the 5 and this 5, numerator and denominator, can cancel out. Okay, and when you do that, 5 will go into 5 one time and 5 will go into this 5 one time. Okay, now this should be complete review, but I'm wanting y'all to see something in just a second, okay? Then I'm going to look at the other numbers, and hopefully you can see that this 3 and this 6 will also reduce or cancel out. So 3 will go into 3 one time, and 3 will go into 6 two times, okay? Now, there's one more, okay, this 2 and this 4. So 2 will go into 2 one time and 2 will go into 4 two times. Hopefully that is just review. So then from there I'll multiply all my numerators, 1 times 1 times 1, which equals 1. And 2 times 1 times 2 will equal 4. So our final answer will be 1/4. Okay? This is just a quick review about canceling units, reducing them before we multiply. Okay, now we're going to take and this lesson is about reducing units. So units meaning like 12 inches per foot and things like that. So example 1 says multiply 55 miles per hour. Okay, and anytime you hear that per, it actually means this division line, 55 miles per hour. And I'm going to put 1 hour just because it said per hour in that. I just need a number there. Okay, and they tell me to multiply 55 miles per hour by 6 hours. Okay, so they're wanting me to take the 55 miles per hour and multiply it by 6 hours. Okay, and I'm just going to go on and put this 6 hours over 1. Okay, and we've worked on that in class, so you know that we can do that. Okay, and so now I just work the problem, 55 miles times 6. Okay, but in this lesson, the first thing that they're wanting you to learn how to do is that, as you can see, I have hour here and hour here. Now, just like a while ago when we were working with 3/4 and 5/6, that problem, we were able to cancel out numerator, denominator. Okay, same thing with this. Okay, we're going to be able to cancel out units here, hour and hour, just like numerator, denominator. Okay, and then that makes it 55 miles times 6. Okay, and if we were to multiply that, we're going to end up getting 330. Okay, and I still have my miles, so I'm going to put miles. And then you would do that over 1 times 1. And so it would be 330 miles over 1, which then goes to 330 only. Okay, so 330 miles is the answer, because we crossed out the hours, so it makes them go away, the hours go away, and so all we have left is miles. And so from there, we just multiply it, and that's our answer. Okay, let's do another one. Sorry for the video being kind of jittery and bumpy around. Alright, this next one says, multiply 5 feet by 12 inches per foot. Okay, so they're wanting me to multiply 5 feet by 12 inches per, remember the per, foot. Okay, and I'm going to put 1 foot. 12 inches for 1 foot. And they're wanting me to multiply 5 feet by 12 inches per foot. So this is how you would write that problem. 5 feet times 12 inches per 1 foot. Okay, and I'm just going to take this 5 feet and put it over 1. Okay, and hopefully you're going to think that you need to reduce or cancel out your units. Okay, as you can see, the 2 units that can be canceled out are the feet, because we have 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator, so I'm going to go in and do that. And now when I work the problem, 5 times 12, I will get 60 inches. And I can't write it over here anymore, so I'm going to put it here, 60 inches. And then it would be over 1 times 1 over 1, which then is just 60 inches. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. It's not a real hard lesson. You just have to learn to cancel out numerator and denominator units, like we have been working with numbers. Okay, so your book is going to look like this, and somehow this is an old book and it has answers in it, but you see how it's going to already be set up for you. Okay, and you're just going to cross out your units from numerator and denominator and work the problem. Okay, all right, that is lesson 95, and sorry again I cannot be there. Hope you understand everything well, and hopefully to see you on Thursday.